Here's what I think this creator should charge for a TikTok video. And the rates that I give you in this video are based on my experience as a creator monetization coach. I help creators literally all day long try and figure out what to charge for specific collaborations and help them negotiate and figure out their contracts. So this creator here has 21K. However, 21K, while some may consider that a smaller following, her audience is so niche. It's plant people, okay? The comments on a lot of the posts are pretty much where they need to be. I would say some are a little bit low, which might be factored into the rate. But overall views look really great, and some are even on the higher end of industry standard. I would realistically say for this creator, she could probably be charging around $1,000, sometimes a little bit higher if it's a specific plant brand who's really looking to reach those plant people. Obviously, some brands might look at that $1,000 and be like, yes, $1,000 to reach the people we need. Amazing, let's go. And some brands are, of course, going to look at $1,000 rate and be like, excuse me, what? These rates are going to be so dependent on what the brand's budget looks like, so remember that. Personally, I might start a little bit higher than $1,000 in my negotiation process so that I can end up around $1,000. If you need help figuring out your rates, you can make sure you're following along and then let me know in the comments.